Hi guys, so in this video I want to quickly show you how I made a project in the MationX Studio that saves a ton of time and a ton of money to this barbershop business. So I'm gonna show you quickly how the project looks. The project looks like this. It's actually pretty simple. So what it does is basically, by the way, first of all, this whole project is built by AI because here in the developer section I created an MCP that you can connect to your AI agent, and it can build the projects for you. But let's get back to this. This is basically a project where there is this message received, block on WhatsApp, blah blah blah. It uses AI to understand what the user wants, basically if it's a complaint or whatever. If it's a complaint, you will get a notification on your phone that someone is complaining. What did he say? What's his phone number? So that's one thing. Second thing is adding these people that are actually interested in a haircut. It's adding them to your calendar. It's right here. So it's connected to my account, okay, to my Google account, and it's adding to Google Calendar, okay. So this is the setup right here. Basically all of the information about basically the business are saved in this variable, I think. So what it does, how often, for how much money, and stuff like that. So I have my phone right here, is the S24 Ultra. Nothing is running on it. It's like I can even turn it off like this. I have just the MationX client application, which is, by the way, downloadable right here. So the version is this right now as I'm recording this. And yeah, basically I have that app on my phone. It's ready. Now I will just click the test. A test means that when the project ends, when it stops listening, it's not gonna save on the phone. It's never gonna run again. But I could also run it or install it to the phone and then run it, and it will stay on the device forever. So yeah, that's how it works in the MationX Studio. So right now I want to show you that I can actually turn off the device completely, because this whole project is using notification tokens to reply. I will share you this project in the description, so you can import it into your account. By the way, use the link in the description to get a free trial, okay? Otherwise it's cheap for normal commercial use. So let's get to it, okay? I am running it on the device currently. I can show you in the analytics. It's right here. I can even see what the trigger does, or what project it runs, and etc. So that's what the project does right now. Now I will get to my WhatsApp. I am right now texting my phone from my different number, okay, and I can actually try texting something. So let's say, for example, hey, can I get a haircut and a beer tomorrow at 3 p.m. This is Marcus. Okay, simple as that. Boom. I'm gonna send it. It immediately was read. The phone is still like turned off, okay. Actually I have tried this before. So the AI works and it says, sorry Marcus, tomorrow at 3 p.m. is taken. Could you do tomorrow 3:30 or 4:00 p.m. instead? Please confirm which one works for you. So now I could reply and say, okay, sure, whatever, okay. Or I could, let's say, ask something else. How much is a kid's haircut and are you open on Saturday? By the way, when I tried this sooner, it actually saved on the time to Google Calendar, okay. So I will show you right now how it looks. So actually I have here tomorrow. I have here tomorrow, Marcus, blah blah blah. tomorrow at 3 p.m. Okay, so that's what I tried. Yes, what I tried a while ago. Okay, so the phone is still turned off. Okay, I just turned it off, and now let's ask this simple question. The AI reads it, understands it, and it replies. Okay, it's really simple as that. All of the data that the AI knows is saved in the project. We could also make it every time import from your database to the project, so it would always know. And yeah, we can now try a complaint. Okay, what the complaint does is that it triggers some negative response. I'm really sorry to hear that your last cut wasn't up to standard, blah blah blah. Okay, so now the thing is, MationX app created a notification about this complaint. Okay, I have exactly the phone number and I have exactly what he said. Okay, so that's how the project works. This is basically 1% usage of MationX Studio. You can build many and many things in the MationX Studio. This is the landing page. You can Google MationX right now. Yeah, so this is the analytics. Okay, here are the selectors. This is not really related to this because AI built it for me. AI built everything for me. Now the thing you will need for this one is in plugins. I had to enable WhatsApp and I had to enable Google Calendar, where I actually even had to configure it and add my Google account to this Studio account. Okay, I also enabled ChatGPT because I use the classify block. I can show you in the project. Classify and extract. It's right here. It uses the model GPT-5 mini. Here is the input text, the categories, and stuff like that. You can even map multiple things, like stuff like that. We can handle even whatever the user says we can handle. So the subflows. Here is the handle complaint. It just shows the notification and generates text to reply. Then answer question, just replies with AI. Okay, so this is about MationX Studio, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will be putting more videos in the future about MationX Studio, and thank you.